Good morning, guys. You are welcome to today's trade idea and signals. We'll be starting with Euro USD as usual, and we start analysis from daily. So, based on what the market is going to do on daily, we can still continue with our exploration of EU. Now, based on what we are seeing here, I can pick in on daily, which is very clear on 4 hour that we've been exploiting since Monday. Today's Wednesday, eyes on some internal structures, and we've been able to make some money. Now, looking at about how this market has been coming from, I'm expecting price to kind of shift and try to meet into some levels here, at least to create a fair value gap. But we've discussed how coming down, and there is no much imbalance within the market except some little ones, so that we can spot. But yeah, then which kind of give us the confidence of taking this high and this low as our range to operate within, and combined with what we discussed. So we have to be very careful with our trades. So today is Wednesday, we can expect kind of movement in the market. And in reference to what I've talked about in the past, now I discuss how I'm expecting this low to be eventually taken. And expecting there are two expectations on this back into all these levels that we have. We might not have the path to all the levels, but at least I'm expecting some mitigation, as above this level there is an imbalance here that I believe we still have this move into this level I was talking about. I'm expecting some kind of reversal pattern between this level, at least to validate that okay, we are kind of ready to move upward. So to have a reversal into all these levels. So the kind of reversal that I'm expecting two types of reversal anyway. One of them for this low to be taken, and we're going to have a rate or sweep of this low for markets have shift. And from what we are seeing here, I believe the market is currently doing this present day is kind of like creating an internal structure. And this can today with the thing, since we are tomorrow months and tomorrow is planning to close from that. Wait, we let markets lead, and we're going to react on projection on the market and in the market. So there is still a way and means to capitalize on it on lower time frame. So we still sustain this our range, but we'll go on lower time frame to review what we analyzed yesterday, both morning and afternoon. So let's go on to lower time frame to see on our analysis yesterday. We can clearly left side of the market and longer as we deal from here below this level. And let's go on analysis the trades that we had yesterday. So we were able to pick this structure, this trade, and I placed a trade which was invalidated and cancelled by this move downward. So it was part of what we did. Okay, yes, this was the trade I was talking about yesterday. That took, I placed since day before yesterday, so that at least if market should come, I want to react from this other block that sent this. Wasn't expecting it to hold yesterday. That is just kind of contingency planning to like, okay, I was able to react from this zone at all. But as you can see, the news that came out yesterday sent price low deeply into taking, and it immediately give us a kind of reaction. And as you can see, markets eventually pull back into the level too, but this leg has already sent it out, and that's what happened when we have actions that we have here. It was just a news effect, but a very big and deeper pullback into the daily structure that we have coming down. That you see, it perfectly comes, and eventually, let's assume the news did not come out, we would have had that pure 1 to 2 trade. So, but that is that about that. It happens. It comes with the territory. It comes with the territory because there is enough something to send price up. But because of the news effects, it's really slow. That's news. Whenever news is coming out, is objective is to take out liquidity. Minor strong glue is a minor strong glue that's supposed to hold. But any strong glue, any minor, any major or minor strong hold, low or high, will be raided. Even both weak and strong, low, and high can be raided. As you can see, then it's raided it. Then yesterday, which eventually comes to fruition. And I believe we still have some trade. We took a trade eventually materialized yesterday. And I sent a signal to the group capitalizing, because we had this pullback and it closes below it, another block. So, but eventually market have another objective. That's another objective. So they might reclaim another block, which I was expecting to send price time frame, but eventually it didn't respect it. Then it pulled back. That's that about our previous trade on what is it called, on EU. We were able to capitalize and have at least 2 profitable trades from here. Yes, it's rough now, so that we can have a fresh look into the markets. Okay, so as usual, let's pick our range on daily. Let's pick our range. We'll still be working with the range with strong high. Take strong high, which we are expecting market to protect the reaction we are having here. We'll get there. It's not going to be stronger any longer because market has already shifted. So we'll get there, and this will be our weak low to read, and it will still eventually come to read it. So will still eventually come. So we pick our range and we see the trend we expected from this other block here. As it didn't fulfill it and is unable to break this low, then we can count that as our MSS. So it'll be our major MSS, and we can be expecting price. Once this level is broken, you can expect this price, this level that we have here. Sorry, if this level that we have here, that would be our potential trend change, as a potential trend change. So let's go on 4 hour. That's a quick annotation that we can just deal with. On 4 hour, this will give us a kind of pure analysis that whatever is doing on daily, doing it on lower time frame. So this is our potential structure break that has been created there. We're kind of expecting some reaction, and these are potential something sent price lower again, because we've reacted from this level. We've reacted from the major order block here, daily order block. Neither does it break this low, and at the same time it's created this shift, and it has total soup, which is break off, which is taking a sweeping of liquidity below that level. So that will be our total soup. But yes, it's total soup, and at the same time, it's a potential a total soup here too, in between this structure. But that would be a minor one, minor total soup, minor sweep of liquidity. We exploit, expecting my projection in the market, my expectation, or yes, my expectation in the market is for us to break above. Then we can confirm that, okay, this is our trend change. But coming lower, even this level that broke this level, movement close above it, then, I can still target as my flip. Anyway, it's going to be a flip if it's kind of like send price, then I'm expecting this level. We're going to lower time as well. This is our major structure, and nothing to really capitalize on. If we have this, as you can see, market is already moving that direction. So if we have this level, anticipates some that okay, this level also will be broken and we can confirm our major structure break. But as it is, we are waiting on the market, and these are all our major expectations. I had lower time frame and see what we can capitalize on. What we can capitalize on. I want to check if we have nothing missing, and we have some. I expect some kind of reactions from. Yes, just keep it that way. And on one hour we can explore further. So okay, AMA here, and we have this AMA has been mitigated, but at the same time we have this 1 hour internal structure as well. Okay, you see this clearly on let's keep on moving. But this internal structure is kind of like entering my hand, and we like to even place a buy from that. Let's see what's okay. I think I can place a buy from that. Please have as a risk. At the end of the month, anything can happen. So it's below Asian range, and you know, anything can happen. Anything can happen. If this high is taken, we can still come back to kind of capitalize. And structure is above it, and I believe it has been properly mitigated, and there is no imbalance here. Place to be closed. If it is closed above with proper flip, with proper imbalance, it's going to. Then here becomes our other block that we'll be expecting market to react from. So it'll be another block that we're expecting market level. But don't forget, we can have, if it closes above this level, then we'll be taking this level as our buy for the day into our case. But we can't place it yet because I really want the candle to close. If it closes above this level, then we'll be taking it. But if it didn't close, then I'll be glad to take from this level like this. So long position, take it from this low to 9 pips trade, and as usual 1 to 18. That will be 1 to 2 trades. That will give us 18 pips. And you can simply take this liquidity below this level, makes me kind of leaning toward this trade. And mind you, if this candle should close above this level, I don't think this candle should close above this level, then instead of taking the trace from here, we just be taking the trace from this level. So that is that about that. If you want to do set and forget and you want to be kind of aggressive like me, you can place the trade like that. Okay. So but I'm waiting to close. So you see, well, you can see here, I have this imbalance here. The internal structure has an imbalance, but there is proper mitigation of all these levels here. So which make me kind of like leaning toward this. That's my trade. This should be my trade anyway. So okay. So expecting it still can take this level. So that will be my trade. Even if it close above it, with what is doing and the minutes that is left, I don't believe we're going to like with this level. Can still close because the kind of close I'm expensive of. And with what is doing and the minutes left on the candle, I don't believe it's going to do that anyway. So we can just simply take this trade on EU for this morning. And don't forget in the afternoon, we're going to like come back at 12 to analyze the market again, see what we can capitalize on during New York. So that's that. Let me quickly set the trade on with my broker. So we have a 9 pips trade. Always make sure that you calculate your risk before you enter the market. Just don't place trade randomly. Make sure you are using a proper risk management. A proper risk management. You must be very, very very, very big on your risk management. On your risk management. Very big on it. Must be very big on it. As that would be, these are the parameters, and it's a buy limit. I like using limit as well because kind of give you the opportunity of calculating your risk before you enter the market. Not like those that are giving signal that just come to their channel and shout, yeah, buy, 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 buy. And before you know it, they are already in the market and they are just risking anyhow without proper calculation, without proper risk management. Before you know it, just blow your account and they will be making money. And you'll be missing out on all the trades because you are entering it before you see all the parameters. But using limit order gives you a greater edge, and it helps you to kind of like uh, capitalize on whatever that is going to happen in the markets. So this will be our parameter, and that will be our trade. And as you can see, so we can expect a reaction from this level into it and even go higher. But I'm very conservative with my return. I'm okay with 1 to 2. I'm okay with 1 to 2. So 1 to 2 trade is okay. Or you just need to win 40% of your of your account. Then you still end up with, initially I started with 1 to 5. It's consistent, but at the same time, it takes time. I have to wait and wait and wait, and I'm kind of losing that patience. So that's the reason why I really want nowadays. I just want my trades to play out as fast as possible so that I can keep my head clear and focus on my other businesses without without being dragged here and there, moving around with checking of trades and other stuff. Let's go to NAS and see what we have there. So starting from 4 hour, you can see our projection in the markets. I was telling us about markets taking this liquidity and running with it. Okay. Simply because of could have easily take this week. I just said I be waiting. I can't wait till the out, and I play it as game. I used my statistical edge to predict. I mean, to know what I need to have in the market or anything. So as analyzed, so that this will kind of be the level that I will send it. So expecting it, and as we have it, conservative entries that we try to bring into the market with the imbalance. Eventually, yesterday morning, eventually tap the low and kind of invalidate our entry here. And this I talked about this yesterday morning and afternoon because I believe this high to be taken. So we kind of enter. I kind of sent more more signal into the, and from the analysis here, I kind of want to risk the trade from yesterday morning because I was expecting it. Okay, I was expecting it yesterday morning. Okay, this 3 candle order block that we have there should be able to send price higher, but just consolidating within the level, and it was able to hold the price for like 5 hours. 1, 2, 3 from going lower, which validates the which validates the order block. I was talking about how I'm expecting this low to be rated, and I dropped my analysis during New York. I was talking about since they're expecting the market to stay this long within its order block, it should take price up. But because we are expecting it, I can be rated into the lower trade that we have for it to move forward because it is news and it's spending more time in this level, the proper re-entry into the market with this one, and it gives us what we want in the market. Normal risk in the market. I did not been for the news, this would have still sustained itself. But the two take liquidity. If it's not taking any liquidity, then it's not a proper news. It's not an high impact news. An high impact news, once it's come out, is to take liquidity. And this is the liquidity. Yeah. And Unfortunately, we are part of the liquidity because of this other block that was created, but it had the be able to capitalize on this trade, and whatever we lost from here and from this place was able to do it. Another virtue in the market. So today, now let's see what we can capitalize on. Let's delete all our annotation. And this range has completed its work. We are moving forward. So moving back to 4 hour, let's see what we can see. So, previously I've talked about how I didn't expect price to place is only the place I'm expecting the market to react, which it did react from, and it breaks a weak high. So the new range that we have in the market is just our strong low, and this will be a weak high, which we are expecting market to react from. So within our be kind of trying to see where markets will react from today. At least we have a lot of high impact news, okay, medium impact news. We have a lot of things in the market. We have GDP, inflation rates, and pending home sales. A lot of news in the market today. So let's see what we can. This is our weak high. This is our weak high. Guess what we can capitalize on this money is to kind of look for kind of reversal into this level, because we have a very big range and deep thing from this level here. So then another block, bigger imbalance, and these are liquidity void. We have a liquidity void here. Liquidity void, we can just have a tap into this level. We are in perfectly on the liquidity one. So, and picking zones, the first another level is here, which can serve as a mitigation block. So these are all the levels that market can react from. What I would suggest we do is to kind of pick a reversal into this level, flow the reversal this morning before the others are impacting strong low shoe. So we should hold the price up. And I'm not expecting this strong low to be rated when the news comes out. I expect it to hold. I expect it to hold price. If you want to kind of like trade the news, you can take this liquidity void. It's too big of a stop loss for me. So I'm not going to take that type of trade. Let's go on lower time frame, see what we can capitalize. I want to kind of see the kind of reversal that we're going to have into this level. Maybe we have something to capitalize on. Place to be to send price. Okay, we have this low being broken. Let's see, maybe the kind of reversal we're going to have is before coming down now. We have an internal structure lying perfectly above this level. Yeah, we have another internal structure here, lying perfectly on the 50%. And I believe I can personally do this internal structure here. We can take trades from. So I'm not explore 15 minutes. Okay. I think I see something that we can just pick a trade from. That'll be a perfect breaker block. I can send price lower. And we have some imbalance there. So I guess if I'm going to take trade this morning, I can just kind of 335 and 7. So I guess I can just risk this trade because I'm not expecting market to kind of like go up yet. So we can take that. I expect this level, maybe this level to send price lower. So expect this level to send price lower into this level, then you can find off all these levels here. And this can serve as our liquidity area, which we expect the market to take. Then that means we can place a trade from this level here. Our long, personally take it from here. So 25, here will be 450. So that would be a 1 to 2 at least to take this high. So that will be my projection, and that will be what I'll be working. Taking trades from this level to send price lower, and another trade from here during the London session. Be taking this trade and markets, and markets can be sent now without anything can happen. Just be flexible. apply proper risk management, and you are good. Even it should fail, if all this level should fail, then we'll still be good. We didn't blow your account. Just like one risk, 1% of your account is enough. Take it. It's a long-term game, not a short-term game. So the numbers game is not only one trade that will make us profitable. It's consistency on consistent and frequent wins. So that will be all for today. Thank you. Have a wonderful trades and have a wonderful day. And mind you, we try to see what will happen in London. Then 12 o'clock, I'll come back and do afternoon analysis for us so that we can see what we can try and pick what we can capitalize on in New York. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day and have a profitable day.